Today, we will be discussing how to use the multiple features of the CA6000 H pressure wash reel. These helpful features make this reel an industry leader. The CA6000 H has an internal swivel and hose transition, which makes the initial hose install quicker and easier. It also keeps the hose from snagging during use. To use the ergonomic locking pin located on the side of the reel, simply turn the lever to engage and disengage it to keep the hose in place. This reel also has a built-in drag brake that can be easily adjusted. Using a flathead screwdriver, tighten the screw until you find the right balance of hose payoff. This makes it easier to control, so when you're using the reel, you don't have to worry about any unwanted hose spooling out. For mounting, this reel features a slotted base plate, making it easier to install. To learn more about the CA6000 H pressure wash reel and for more how-to videos, visit reelcraft.com.